Hello friends, today I am going to cover a very important topic for all the candidates who go for SSB interview. We will be discussing how to present yourself during the SSB. Let us start with what all you should wear during the SSB. The general requirement is you should go in a formal dress, but people take it to a different level. Formal means people assume that you have to wear a tie, you have to wear a coat, and then you have to be very stiff. It will really spoil your interview. If you are used to wearing a tie, of course wear a tie. If you are used to wearing a coat, do wear a coat. But not in the summers when the temperature is at 45 degrees and you are going in a coat. Okay, person is sweating profusely, but still, yes, formal. Not required. You have to wear anything in which you feel comfortable. Wear dress which you normally wear, which is formal. Formal means any shirt, preferably in light color with any comfortable trousers. Avoid wearing jeans and collarless t-shirts. Similarly, preferably wear a leather shoe. But in case you do not have, you are free to use a sports shoe as well. And for girls, what happens is girls take it as formal being shirt and trousers. Not necessary. Many a times I have seen one girl had come for an interview. So I believe because of formal this thing, she was wearing a shirt and a trouser. But she was extremely uncomfortable in that dress. Every time she was trying to adjust her collar, trying to somehow fit herself. And you will really be so nervous because of that dress. You will not be able to speak. People wearing tie. It nearly choked one of the candidates. Choked in the sense he was not able to speak. With tie like this. Sir, yes sir. Come on guys. And then you have to loosen the tie up. In case you are not used to tie, no issues. You do not have a blazer, wear a pullover for the interview. Be as comfortable as possible, also being formal. There are few tips what many people give to candidates. There was one candidate, I believe somebody has told him that you should look into the eyes of the interviewing officer. He took it literally. So when he is sitting in front of me, he is doing this. And mind you, throughout the interview, he was like this. I was afraid of him. So I had to tell him, be relaxed. Okay, but once it goes in the head, it's difficult to change, right? And few people are told that you should smile while speaking to the interviewing officer. So there was a girl who had come. So she was told that she should smile. So she had one smile. As a smile chipka hua hai on the face. And she is talking about something sad. Now her eyes are watery. Tears are dropping down, but she has been told to smile. So smile chipka hua hai, and she's. You should use some logic. Of course, your emotions should be seen during the interview, but those should be real emotion. If you are feeling happy, let it be seen on the face. If you are feeling sad, again, that sadness should be seen in the eyes. Okay. It should be visible, not trying to hide or put in some emotion which is not really there or not being felt from your heart. There are many more mistakes candidates do, like being stiff during the interview. Somebody has told that you should keep your hands on the knee. So moment interview starts, he is like this. And when the interviewing officer is questioning him, one boy, he came to my interview and somebody has told him that you should keep your hands on the knee, and he became so stiff. It was like I was talking to the wall in front. There is no expression on his face because he is stiff. He cannot move his hand, nervous. Moment you do that, the entire interview gets spoiled because you become so conscious of doing these external things which may really not be required. Be yourself. Do what you normally do. Speak to the interviewing officer as you are speaking to a senior friend. Speak from your heart. ठीक है. Talk to him as if you are at a very comfortable place. There should be a connect between you and the interviewing officer. And that connect, of course, he is senior. He is a very senior officer. Never disrespect, but speak to him in such a fashion that you are connected to him emotionally. He should feel what you are trying to say. Similarly, you should also feel what you are trying to convey. These points would be very handy while you go to the interview. Now let me tell you how you go for the interview. When you are going to the interviewing officer's office, before that you are sending your documents to him. He will go through those documents. So there was one boy who had come for the interview. So he had got one folder. It was not a folder with the leaf. Okay, he had one big pouch in which he has kept all his documents. Now all the documents are loose. Please do not put anything other than your original documents and all the certificates that you have in that folder. Preferably have a folder with leaves so that you can sequentially put all the documents and the interviewing officer is finding it easy to go through them. So I was telling you about the boy who had come, who had kept it in that folder. So moment I opened the folder, so many coins, chiller, went flying around the floors. Passport size photos and small stamp size photos, a bunch of them, tabak, all across the floor again. Now I had to call that boy in again, and with his help and my assistant, we had to spend more than 3 to 4 minutes just to collect this. This gives a bad impression. We must always try to have it well organized so that it becomes convenient for the interviewing officer to go through the document without creating any mess. Keep these small tips handy while you go to SSB interview. Remember these things, very simple. Be what you are, present what you are. Do not try to fake yourself to do anything. Keep watching our videos. Click on the link given in the description. If possible, attend the privilege batch where I conduct interview sessions as well as individual interviews. And do keep watching. We will have lot of videos on this. Do subscribe as well and share with as many friends as you can. Thank you. Jai Hind.